Are you shopping for a marker light for your truck? Check out this ultra slim light from Raceport. This LED strobe light is ideal for warning, municipal, and safety applications. Utilizing 6 high-intensity LEDs with an optical lens, each light features 19 adjustable, alternating, and synchronized flash patterns, as well as low power consumption and a quick startup time. Pick from 5 different colors: amber, blue, green, red, and white, all using 18 watts and working with 12 or 24 volt applications. These low-profile surface mount strobes are resistant to dust, collisions, and are splash-proof. For best results, mount to a flat surface to prevent damage. Each light is 4.5 inches long by 1 1/8 inch wide, protected inside a black housing and clear lens, with a life expectancy of 30,000 hours. The ultra-slim 6 LED marker lights by Raceport come with a 1-year warranty. Shop emergency and morning lighting on zips.com today.